up, everybody? It's Rebel, aka queergirlstraightskates, and today we're gonna go on another roller skating adventure. So today we have decided, me and Shove, to go try and skate from the Bixby Knolls area all the way down to the beach area of the LA Riverbed Trail. I'm super excited because I haven't skated super far in a very long time, and I've been hearing about it, so let's do it.
I can see myself in your glasses.
Hey!
Hi.
No, it's true.
We're here! We're at DeForest Park in Long Beach, kind of like North Long Beach. So it should be a trek. So we gotta make it through in some shoes and do a staircase, and then we shall arrive to our destination.
Which is the beginning of our trip.
Yes, where we'll probably die because it's been 2 months in Quarantino, and
your girls have not been skating enough.
And it's gonna be a hot one.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Just a game, cause I got high hopes. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, not playing games. Maybe reveal it, they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more concealing, they ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Oh, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
Hey, so we are like 5.5 miles in. So far, it's been a total adventure. The road is actually surprisingly smooth. I wasn't expecting that, but there's a lot of hills, so a lot of downhill and then uphill. But it's absolutely gorgeous and breathtaking, and I totally recommend that you do this. We're doing good. We're taking a lot of stops because, you know, like quarantine, you don't really work out much, and then we decided to go on this long skate, but that's okay. So we're gonna keep going.
Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is,
So we made it to the Long Beach sign, and some of the local skaters here will treat the Long Beach sign as a little bit of a skate park that we make. So see that O? Well, they'll skate inside of it. And someday I'm gonna do it too, but not today.
you make me feel it's crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God.
I feel like it was definitely a struggle, especially not having skated for a hot minute, but we made it, and I'm so proud of us, babe. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. And until next time, later, skaters.